We have learned what is resistance. Now we will see another characteristic, that is resistivity. What is the difference between resistance and resistivity? We can see it mathematically. There is a conductor. This conductor has got certain resistance R. We are changing certain changes to this conductor. Suppose we have taken double of the length. Length is increased. If length is increased, what happened to resistance? What we see that resistance also increased. Length increased, resistance increased. We did another thing. For this conductor, we increase the area of cross section, thickness, and we find that resistance decrease. Then we can write it R proportional to L, length. Length increase, resistance also increase. Here area increase, resistance decrease. So R is inversely proportional to A. R proportional 1 upon A. Now let us combine these two. R proportional L upon A. R proportional L upon A. Now if we want to this equal, we have to introduce a constant rho. R is equal to rho L upon A. Now what is rho? Rho is a constant and the value of rho is equal to R A upon L. If area is taken as 1 unit, length is taken as 1 unit, then rho itself equal to R, resistance of this conductor. If area taken is 1 and length taken is 1, then rho itself equal to resistance. Now the question is, then what is the difference between resistance and resistivity? The difference is resistance will change with the length, with the area, but here in case of rho, resistivity, the length and area we have made constant 1 and 1, otherwise rho equal to R. This constant we change the name and we call it resistivity. Rho is known as resistivity. Now what is the difference between resistance and resistivity? Answer: resistivity is the resistance with length 1 and area is 1, and resistance is depending upon length and area. Now if we change the material, we find this value is different. So this is the characteristic of material. When we change the material, resistivity change. So we call this resistivity, also specific resistance. When we use the word specific, in physics, when any characteristic is related to unit 1, like specific gravity, specific heat, specific resistance related to unit 1. Now SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter, and in symbol ohm meter. Now let us find out dimension of resistivity. Dimension. We know R, resistance, is equal to V upon I, is equal to V. V is equal to work upon Q, charge, multiply by I. equal to work upon Q. Q equal to I into T multiply by I equal to work I into I square multiply T equal to, now bring it in fundamental dimension of work ml2 T minus 2 upon I current dimension ampere square A, here A is not area, I dimension A ampere dimension of I current T time equal to, solve this, ml2 T minus 3 A minus 2, this is dimension of R resistance. Now dimension of resistivity, rho is equal to R A upon L equal to dimension of R ml2 T minus 3 A minus 2 multiply A, this A is area and dimension of area, length into length L square upon length L equal to M L3 T minus 3 A minus 2, this is dimension of rho. These are the dimension of resistivity. Many numericals are asked on these relations. A very simple numerical is that if we stretch a conductor to double its length, like in this, we stretch the conductor double to its length, what will be changed in it? Will the resistance change or the resistivity change? Answer number 1, because we are not changing the material. Resistivity will not change. We are not changing the material, so resistivity will not change. What will change? Resistance will change, because length has been changed and area has been also changed. So we have seen these two quantity, resistance and resistivity, and relation between them.